Hey you guys, I'm going to do a quick tutorial on how to use your Flipgrid, how to create your video, how to submit your video, and all of that good stuff. So hopefully if you get stuck, this will help you. All right, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to log into my Schoology. You'll see in your Schoology the different classes that you have. I'm going to use Concert Band right now as my example class, but it works the same regardless of which class you're in. So I'm going to open up my class and I'm going to see on my main page all of the folders and materials and all that good stuff that I've posted for you in the class. So if you look at the top of the things that I've posted, I've got your Flipgrid assignment. I also have the student tip sheet. Now the student tip sheet will help you if you get stuck, okay? If you ask me for help and you say, hey, I got stuck, you haven't read this first, you got to read this first, okay? Always read your directions first. And then after you've read them and you've tried it and then you get stuck, then ask for help. But don't go immediately to asking for help if you have not read the instructions first. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go right to my Flipgrid assignment for the week. And it's going to open up. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to see my Flipgrid page. And so see how I've got this little slider right in the middle of the screen? What I'm going to do is I'm going to just scroll down. So I've got a bunch of different resources on here. I've got this YouTube video I can watch. This is going to have, like for this class, an example of that song that we could play. And then I've got the instructions. So like this one just says, hi concert band, today you will work on sheet music excerpts. In Fighting Falcon March, you'll play measures 25 through 33. And in See You Again, you will need to play measures 14 through 18. All sheet music is found in your Schoology sheet music folder. And then I also have, as an extra resource, I have right here a link to Fighting Falcon March, so you can listen to that as well. So we've got the assignment, the description, resources to help you with the assignment. Now, if you're going to complete the assignment, here's what you do next. You scroll down and you find this giant green plus sign. Well, it's a green circle with a white plus sign, if you want to be technical. And see how it says moderated. That means for this assignment, the only person that's going to see it is me. So once you submit your video, you're done. Okay. You won't be able to see anyone else's videos or your own video. It'll be turned in. So what you do to do your assignment is you click on this big plus sign. And it's going to take you to this screen. It says log in to record. So if you are using Schoology from a computer, all you're going to do is log in with Microsoft. If you're using Schoology from a phone or tablet, you need to make sure that you have the Flipgrid app installed on your device. If you do not have the Flipgrid app installed on your device, this will not work. So you need to make sure you have it installed. Okay, so then what you're going to do next is log in with Microsoft. I would select Remember Me, so that way when you have to do this in the future, you don't have to keep putting your stuff in. Then you select your account, and then it'll automatically log you in. And then it takes you, oh, hey, there's me. It takes you to this recorder right here, okay? So what you're gonna do next is you're gonna record your first video. So you have your camera button here. There's other things you can do too if you don't want your face in here. You select stickers. I'm gonna select this little nerdy one because I like it. Put it over my face. I'm going to make it nice and big so that it covers my face. Oh, come on, little sticker. And then we're going to move it over. There we go. So now my face is covered. You can't see my face. And that's what you do. And then you hit record and you'll have the sticker covering your face. Other things you can do, which is kind of fun. If you go under here, under filters, you can have Oh, that's pretty fun. Different filters so that it looks different. And then you have this choice, which is kind of nice, which is pixel. Look, it scrambles out my face. So if you don't want your face seen this way, this is another alternative you can do, and then you just hit your record. So that's another thing that you can do. I'm going to select clear filters. And then what I do, I've got some other video options too. What are those? Or, oh, this is pretty sweet, you guys. If you want to record your video with just audio and not the video, that's another option. Pretty cool. All right, so then I'm going to click this little red camera button. Countdown. And now I'm recording myself. So this is my sample video recording myself. So once I'm finished, I'm going to click pause right in the middle. And at that point, I can watch my video. Or if I don't like it at all, I can click redo and I can re-record it. But if I like it, then I'll just move on to where it says next. And now I'm recording myself. So this is my sample video recording myself. All right, so that was me recording my video. And if I like it, oh, that's an awkward pause. If I like it, then I can keep it. If I don't, I can always add more or edit it or change it. But if I'm fine with it, I'll click next. Now what I'm going to do is take a selfie. If you don't want to take a selfie with your face on there, again, you have these different options to draw, or you can even do the whiteboard. That's pretty nifty. So you've got these different options for your selfie. I'm going to take just a regular selfie, and here we go. Not my greatest. So if you want to redo, you can redo your selfie. And then when you're done with that, because it identifies your assignment, you click next. And then what it does is it gives you a couple other options. And then you just click submit video. And then it'll say congrats. And then it's done. So that's how you do your assignment for Flipgrid, you guys. It's pretty simple. It's pretty basic. And then I'll be able to see it and I'll be able to give you feedback, which is kind of nice. I'll be able to email that back to you. So each week you have a Flipgrid assignment to do. So you've a bunch of different options on the ways that you can do your Flipgrid assignment. So that tip sheet, so we'll go back over here. Right here. So I've got this tip sheet right here, and you just open it up. You don't have to print it or anything. And it basically goes through everything that I have talked about. Okay, so we've got our tip sheet so that you can follow it, and that will help you as well. And that's it, you guys. That's how you do your Flipgrid assignment. It takes you just a few minutes to do. It's short, it's easy. I'll have your assignment available in your Schoology. I'll have this week's posted right here. And then I will also have it in your Corona Break folder. So to find it in your Corona Break folder, just click on your Corona Break folder, find the week that we are in, and then you'll find the day that we are in. So this is tomorrow, okay? And then you open it up and you'll find all of your assignments. That's how you get to that as well. If you have any questions about it, let me know and I can walk you through. I can do a different tutorial, walk you through if you need me to like this. But that's all I got. So hopefully this helps you, and let me know if you need help from me. Bye.